Hello everyone. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and doing your studies well. And I hope you all have written all the answers properly. So, my dear students, as you all know, you are in a fourth standard now, right? So, we are solving bridge course assignment. In a previous video, we have discussed all the answers orally. So today we are going to write all the answers. So I hope you all are ready with your bridge course assignment to check all the answers. Okay? Those who have not it, they can write in their rough book. Okay? So let's begin our today's session with a beautiful quote, and that is, all progress takes place outside the comfort zone. All progress takes place outside the comfort zone. Means when you are facing any difficulty, then and then only you can go to the happiness. Right? Okay. So, first you have to fill up all the details which already you have completed. Right? Then question number 1 is there, that is, fill in the blanks with collective nouns. Fill in the blanks with collective nouns. So what is collective nouns? Do you remember that? I told you yesterday. What is collective nouns? Collective nouns means a noun which we are using for a group of something, for a group of people or a group of coins, anything, right? Group of something, for that we are using collective nouns. So before starting collective nouns, do you remember what is nouns? I told you yesterday also. Noun means a name of any person, place, animal or thing. Noun means a name of any person, place, animal or thing. That is called a noun. And now what is collective noun? Collective noun means a noun which we are using for a group of something. Collective noun means a noun which we are using for a group of something. Okay? So, let's see the answers. First, let's read all the options. Audience, team, bunch, army, collection, class. Audience, team, bunch, army, collection, class. So, let's check the answers. Number 1, I have a good dash of coins. So, what should be the answer? Yesterday I told you the answer. Let's see. Collection. I have a good collection of coins. I have a good collection of coins. Number 2, the dash has soldiers and commander. The dash has soldiers and commander. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is army. Army. The army has soldiers and commander. The army has soldiers and commander. Number 3, the dash was very happy on their victory. The dash was very happy on their victory. So what is the correct answer? Team. The team was very happy on their victory. The team was very happy on their victory. Number 4. This class consists of 36 students. This class consists of 36 students. Number 5. My mother bought a bunch of grapes. My mother bought a bunch of grapes. So now, let's revise all the answers. Number 1. I have a good collection of coins. I have a good collection of coins. Number 2. The army has soldiers and commander. Number 2. The army has soldiers and commander. Number 3. The team was very happy on their victory. The team was very happy on their victory. Number 4. This class consists of 36 students. This class consists of 36 students. And number 5. My mother bought a bunch of grapes. My mother bought a bunch of grapes. So my dear students, now I am giving you a time to note down these answers in your bridge course assignment if it is left, and if you have already completed, then please check your answers whether they are wrong or right. Okay? So, let's move to the next question. That is question number 2. Write the past tense form of the following verbs. Write the past tense form of the following verbs. So, let's see. First of all, what is past tense? Did you remember that? Past tense means a time which is passed away. Past tense means a time which is passed away. So, here verbs are given and you have to write past form of all the verbs. So, do you remember any answers? Yesterday orally we have discussed all the answers. So, do you remember? Yes? Okay. So, let's see how your answers are, right or the wrong. Okay? Eat. So, what is the past form of eat? At. A-T-E. At. A-T-E. At. The number 2, kill. Kill. So, what is the past form of kill? That is killed. Killed. K-I-L-L-E-D. Killed. K-I-L-L-E-D. Killed. Now number 3, go. Go. So what is the past form of go? That is went. W-E-N-T. Went. W-E-N-T. Went. Number 4, come. come. So what is the past form for come? That is C-A-M-E. Came. C-A-M-E. Came. Number 5, see. S-E-E-C. So what is the past form for see? That is so. S-A-W. So. S-A-W. So. Eat, ate. Kill, killed. Go, went. Come, came. See, saw. Now, number 6, move. So, what is the past form of move? That is moved. M-O-V-E-D. Moved. M-O-V-E-D. Moved. Number 7, visit. Visit. So what is the past form for visit? V-I-S-I-T-E-D. Visited. V-I-S-I-T-E-D. Visited. Number 8, ask. Ask. So what is the past form for ask? Asked. A-S-K-E-D. Asked. A-S-K-E-D. Asked. Number 9, get. G-E-T. Get. So what is the past form of get? That is got. G-O-T. Got. G-O-T. Got. Number 10, fall. F-A-L-L. Fall. So what is the past form of fall? That is fell. F-E-L-L. Fell. F-E-L-L. Fell. So now let's revise all the words again, all the past forms. Eat, ate. Kill, killed. Go, went. Come, came. See, saw. Move, moved. Visit, visited. Ask, asked. Get, got. Fall, fell. So my dear students, now I am giving you a time to check all the answers in your bridge course assignment. Okay? So I hope you all have checked all the answers properly. So let's move to the next question, that is question number 3. Use a, an and the before correct words. Use a, an and the before correct words. So when you can use a, an or the, let's see. First let me explain, then we will write all the answers. Okay? So let's see. So let's revise articles. A, and the articles. Okay, so let's see. There are two kinds of articles. There are two kinds of articles. That is definite articles and indefinite articles. So, what is definite articles? The. And what is indefinite article? A, an. Rule number 1. What is the rule? Let's see. When an object is being introduced for the first time, we use an indefinite article a or an before it. When an object is being introduced for the first time, we use an indefinite article a or an before it. After the object has been introduced, we then use a definite article the to talk about it. After the object has been introduced, we then use a definite article the to talk about it. Now, definite article the. So let's see. With the names of rivers, seas, groups of islands or states, mountain ranges, deserts, oceans, canals, directions, etc. The Dwakwa, that is the name of river, the Black Sea, the Bahamas, the USA, the Alps, the Sahara Desert, the Atlantic, the North, South, East, West. Now, the names or nouns with of. The names or nouns with of. The Tower of London, the Statue of Liberty. Then, musical instruments and dances. The piano, the tango. The piano is the name of a musical instrument. The tango is the name of a dance. With the titles, the Queen, the Prince, but not with Queen Victoria. We cannot say the Queen Victoria, only Queen Victoria. Okay? Then, with the names of cinemas, theaters, hotels, museums, newspapers, magazines, and ships. For example, the Rex, the Sheraton, the Prado, the Guardian. With decades or groups of years. She grew up in the 70s. Now, there are two indefinite articles, that is a, an. Vowels a, e, I, o, u. When the object we are talking about starts with a vowel, for example, ant, octopus, elephant. We use an when the object does not start with a vowel, for example, dog, bunny, girl. We use a indefinite articles a and an. Use a and an when the noun is indefinite and singular. The rule is a plus means singular noun beginning with a consonant, a boy. An plus singular noun beginning with a vowel, an elephant. A singular noun beginning with a consonant sound, a user like yourself. For example, begins with a consonant Y sound, so A is used. Some plural noun, some girls. If the noun has an adjective, follow the same rules. But use the first letter or the sound of the adjective. A broken egg, an unusual problem. A European country sounds like European, for example, begins with consonant Y sound. That's why we are writing A. Okay. Rule number 3, when the object we are talking about is unique. When the object we are talking about is unique, we always use the definite article the. For example, the Prime Minister of Japan is a very good public speaker. When the object we are talking about is unique, we always use the definite article the. For example, the Prime Minister of Japan is a very good public speaker. Let's see here. The sun is very hot today. The sun is very hot today. The Statue of Liberty is very large. The Statue of Liberty is very large. The Eiffel Tower is beautiful. The Eiffel Tower is beautiful. So, it's a story time. All the answers are already written here. I saw a cat. The cat was sitting on a fence. The fence was painted brown. The cat jumped off the fence when it saw a mouse. The mouse ran into a hole when it saw the cat. So the cat didn't catch the mouse. Later that day, an owl ate the mouse. So, no article rule. Do not use an article with countries, states, counties or provinces, lakes and mountains except when the country is a collection of states such as the United States. He lives in Washington near Mount Rainier. So here you cannot use article. So here begins your chapter articles which we will learn in a grammar session. Okay, right now we are doing bridge course session. So right now we will complete that exercise. So here is the exercise. Question number 3. Use a, an and the before correct words. So as I explain you all the articles, so let's see the answers. Number 1, owl. An owl. An owl. Number 2, sun. The sun. The sun. Number 3, hour. An hour. Now, maybe you are having a question that this word hour begins with consonant letter H. It does not begins with vowels A, E, I, O, U. It begins with consonant letter H. So why I have written N? Because pronunciation begins with letter O. Pronunciation begins with letter O. N, hour. That's why we have written N. Okay. Then number 2, incident. Incident. So N. An incident. An incident. An American. An American. Immobile. A mobile. The trees. The trees. A children. A children. A student. So now let's revise all the articles again. An owl. The sun. An hour. So my dear students, now I am giving you a time to check this exercise, to check these answers in your book. Okay? So I hope you have checked these answers properly. So let's move to the next answers. An incident, an American, immobile, the trees, a children, a student. So now I'm giving you a time to check these answers, okay? So I hope you all have completed this. So what we have learned today, let's see one time. So our today's session begins with here question number 1. So I'm repeating all the answers again. I have a good collection of coins. The army has soldiers and commander. The team was very happy on their victory. This class consists of 36 students. My mother bought a bunch of grapes. After that, question 2, write past forms. Eat, ate, kill, killed, go, went, come, came, see, saw, move, moved, visit, visited, ask, asked, get, got, fall, fell. Then question number 3, use a and the before correct words. An owl, the sun, an hour. An incident, an American, immobile, the trees, children, a student. So my dear students, today we will do till here only. I hope you all have enjoyed today's session and written each and everything properly. So regarding today's session, if you are having any doubts, feel free to message me. We will meet in the next session with the next topic. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.